Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaylelia, and today we're going to be using this stamping plate. It's a Moira stamping plate 53 textures, and it's going to be this one. I feel like I always use this. And I'm going to be using this clean color yellow. It's called Neon Yellow. This color I made with a She Modern opaque pigment. This green from Dollar Tree, and this knobby nail polish. It is pastel yellow. So I'm going to move this out of the way. It's in my way. And hopefully you guys can see, because on my side it kind of looks blurry. So I'm just going to be yellow, orange, this green, this yellow. Okay, so I'm going to tilt this kind of flat down, not like this, but down like this, kind of smear like that, and that's what I get. And okay, that dried already. So I'm going to clean this. And let's see if this is still wet. Sometimes you can do it again. No, I think it's dry. Kind of. Okay. So none of these polishes that I'm using are stamping polishes. They're all regular polish. But that's it right there. And I'm going to try to zoom in so you guys can see that. Okay, let's do this again. Yellow. Orange. Green. Yellow. Gotta clean my stamper. Okay. I feel it kind of looks like fruit roll-up, but with different colors. Okay. Go back into it. And I'm just placing this randomly. See if it sticks. Sometimes it doesn't, and sometimes it does. Anyway, so this is what I got here. And I'm probably going to put a little bit of yellow in there. And that's the way it looks. And right now I'm just cleaning my stamper off on the lint roller. Okay, so now I'm going to use this yellow because this is what it is missing. See? And there we go. This little piece doesn't want to stick. Okay, that's better. And I'm going to do some more color on here. Yellow. This green. I love this green, you guys. Wow, that didn't pick up right. It's okay. Okay, so that's the way it looks. I'm going to do all of them like this and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I'm back and this is the mess I have and I'm going to top coat it now. And this is the Posh top coat.
She said, okay, that's the right email. But
So that's it, top coated. I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so this is it all top coated and it did not exactly come out the way I wanted it. I wanted it more like this, although it kept drying on me. And I'm going to use this stamping plate now. It's from Beauty Big Bang. I haven't purchased anything from them for a while already. So I'm going to use this plate and this image here over it. And I'm going to be stamping with this My Private Jet.
did you get my text?
No, I haven't got your text. Okay, so I'm back. I keep getting interrupted. Oh my gosh, and I keep dropping the stamper. That's it right there. And I'm going to add more here and at the end. This is a regular polish. This is not a stamping polish. Hopefully you guys can see that. There you go. Whoops. Okay, you guys. Hopefully I don't get interrupted again. I'm going to put more polish on here. Didn't pick it up. Hopefully I got that on camera too. Okay, I'm gonna do one more and then I'm gonna get off top coat and then so you guys can see. Sorry, was not in frame. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, so this is what I got, you guys, and I'm going to top coat it. And if you look closely, let's see if I can get it. There's a little like shimmers inside that My Private Jet from OPI. See that? It's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna top coat it now so you guys can see. And after, I will be taking photos so you guys can see the photos. So that's it right there. Do you see that? I love it, you guys. It looked like a disaster when I first did it, but I love it. So I will show some pictures. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and God bless. And have fun stamping away.